Hi, Mac Sheldon here. Welcome to Panda Router headquarters. We've been busy with innovations lately, and we have two new accessories that we'd like to show you today. And the Panda Router woodworking joinery machine makes mortise and tenon more accurately, more repeatably, and faster than any joinery machine on the market today. With our segmented mortise and tenon template set, you can cut 154 different size mortise and tenons, which is 30 times the number possible with other jigs. But to date, we've been limited to horizontal operation. Now we do have an 1.5 inch and a 2.5 inch vertical mortise and tenon template, but for any other sizes, we'd need to build special jigs or fixtures until now. One of the most frequent requests from our customers is a way to use more of our templates in a vertical orientation, so we created this adapter plate to hold them. We precision milled the back to perfectly align it in the vertical position, and then laser engraved an index mark so you can position it on the adapter on the indicia that's on the top of the primary template holder. And of course it has our patented centering alignment hole, so it's easy to position in the center of the template holder when that's needed. With the Bosch router mounts, you can locate multiple vertical adapters anywhere on the template holder. And with the Porter cable mounts, you can use all but just a couple of inches on the operator's side, which is very rarely used anyway. Usually we only need one template at a time for mortise and tenon with either simple or compound angles. You can see more information on these new vertical adapters in the FAQ section on the website. This new vertical adapter also includes a couple of template mounting nuts that make setup even faster and easier than ever. These little nuts are oval or racetrack shaped, and they slip into the template holder really fast and easily. We like this little innovation so much that we made 10,000 of them, which seems like a lot, but in the nut manufacturing world, it's not enough to fully automate the process. So there's a fair amount of handwork needed to stamp and drill and tap these. As a result, they're ridiculously expensive to make, but we just love them and we wanted to convert all of our templates to them. We apologize for the cost of these little nuts, but it's one of those little things that it'll just make you smile every time you change templates. Please visit our special offers section on our website to grab a discount code for both of these new accessories, and we love to see how customers use our accessories, so please be sure and send us photos and tell us how you like them. Thanks again for dropping by the shop, and happy panda routing!